in the heart of Central Europe, where time itself seems to dance to the rhythm of history, unfolds a saga of valor, resilience, and unquenchable spirit, the captivating story of Hungary. Set against a backdrop of rolling hills, majestic rivers, and fortified castles, Hungary's tale is a breathtaking journey through the annals of time. The stage is set in the 9th century as the Magyar tribes, a fierce and nomadic people, ride into the Carpathian Basin, led by Árpád. Amidst whispers of destiny, they plant the seeds of a future nation, defying the passage of time. Centuries roll on, like waves crashing against the shore, as Hungary dances with empires and powers that seek to possess its heart. The clash of swords and the march of armies paint a vivid tableau, with the Battle of Mohács in 1526 becoming a turning point. The Ottoman tide sweeps over Hungary, leaving scars that time can hardly erase. Yet, from the ashes of defeat emerges a phoenix of resistance. Heroes like István Dobo and Michael Zbrini defy the odds, standing firm against the Ottoman onslaught in the castle of Eger and the fortress of Szigetvar. Their unwavering courage echoes through the corridors of time. The 19th century awakens a yearning for freedom as Hungary's sons and daughters rise in defiance against oppression. The revolution of 1848 paints the streets with hope, even as the shadows of Habsburg rule loom large. Years later, in the aftermath of World War I, Hungary grapples with a new dawn, birthing a republic and striving to find its voice on the world stage. The tempestuous 20th century casts a long shadow as Hungary navigates the treacherous waters of 2 world wars. The horrors of Nazi occupation and the subsequent grip of Soviet rule test the nation's endurance and resolve. The 1956 Hungarian uprising, a brave rebellion for freedom, echoes the spirit of those who refuse to be silenced. With the fall of the Iron Curtain, Hungary steps into a new era, a phoenix rising from the ashes once again. The winds of change sweep across the land as Hungary embraces democracy and freedom, reaching out to the European Union as a partner on the world stage. Today, Hungary stands as a living testament to the ebb and flow of history. A nation shaped by the hands of time and the fierce determination of its people. From the glittering spires of Budapest to the humble villages nestled in the countryside, Hungary's story continues to unfold, an epic journey of a nation that has stood the test of time. Beneath the vast Hungarian skies, where folklore intertwines with flavors that dance upon the palate, lies a realm of culinary enchantment that beckons the adventurous traveler. The realm of Hungarian gastronomy. Picture a world where succulent meats, tender and robust, are elevated to artistry through the mastery of paprika, the fiery heart of Hungarian cuisine. Goulash, a symphony of beef, potatoes, and vegetables, emerges as a national treasure, its rich broth carrying the whispers of centuries past. As the aroma wafts through the air, it's as if the very essence of Hungary's history has been distilled into a single pot. Enter further into this gastronomic wonderland, and you'll encounter another marvel, the iconic chimney cake or kurtoszkalix. A spiraled pastry, caramelized to perfection, it embodies the sweet symphony of Hungary's rustic charm. With each crunchy bite, one can almost hear the laughter of villagers and the echoes of old tales. But it is not only the heartiness that defines Hungary's culinary tapestry. It is the subtlety of craftsmanship. The world-famous Tokaji wine, a nectar of the gods, has flowed through Hungarian vineyards for centuries. Its golden hues and luscious sweetness are a testament to the dedication of vintners who have honed their craft over generations. And then there's the sensual allure of Hungarian salamis and sausages, echoing with the notes of the countryside. Whether it's the smoky aroma of sapsabai or the spicy tang of gulai, these savory delights evoke the warmth of village feasts and the camaraderie of friends gathered round a table. Let us not forget the allure of Hungarian pastries, each one a masterpiece lovingly crafted to entice the senses. Dobos torte, with its layers of sponge cake and caramel, invites you on a journey of sweetness and crunch, while the elegant rötis, or strudel, is a whisper of sophistication wrapped in flaky layers. In Hungary, food is more than sustenance. It's a cultural embrace, a communion of history and flavor. It's the vibrant paprika that stains the cheeks of hearty stews, the delicate lacework of pastries that mirror the intricacies of Hungarian heritage, and the clinking of glasses filled with rich wines that toast to the indomitable spirit of a nation. So, as you embark on a culinary adventure through Hungary, remember that every bite carries with it the stories of generations, the melodies of villages, and the soul of a people who have woven their passion into every dish.